If you got a 9-to-5 job right now, you're poor.
Remember, we was broke, remember, Lord, forgive me, let nobody catch me, I can't.
Hey folks, hey, stop playing around. Stop playing around. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. See, you're looking at this car right now, and this is piquing your interest, right? I know you're looking at advertising right now, but check it out. Stop looking at the car and pay attention to me, okay? Now, how did I get here? Because I'm not playing around. You playing, you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, right? You're on Snapchat, taking pictures all day, and at the same time, you want to be a multimillionaire, right? Am I right? I'm talking to you. Am I right? Right? You're going home, you're going to sleep and say, I had a hard day at work, so I'm not going to work on my dream. And you expect those types of habits, that types of behavior is going to put you in here? Let me share something with you. This is from the top of my heart. It won't. Because most of you that's watching videos and advertisements like this, you're playing. You're not serious. You might say, no, Wesley, I'm serious. Well, how serious are you? Stop playing basketball so much. Stop watching the basketball games. Stop watching the reality shows. Cut the fucking TV off. Okay? Go to your house. Stop opening up books. You know what? Take action. Do something. How much information do you need to learn about the internet before you start to build a website? How many YouTube videos do you need to look at before you just create a fucking YouTube video? Just create something. Stop playing around, guys. My name is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. I'm not smart. I'm not intelligent. I'm not even like this magnificent person. But the thing that's very amazing about me, I take fucking action. When people told me that I couldn't do it, when they told me I was a loser, when they said, hey, stop screaming on video. You know, I used to have my shirt off on video, search YouTube, slapping my chest, and I said, I'm fucking great. And this is when I was driving a 1988 Honda Accord. This is when I was sleeping on an air mattress with my 2 children in the other bedroom. But I kept believing, but I wasn't playing around. You see what I'm doing right now? See, I'm doing a video for you to click the link so you can get some information to take you out of your situation and put you in a desirable situation. I want to take you out of that average 9-to-5, that poor type of mentality. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm calling you a poor mentality because guess what? If you got a 9-to-5 job right now, you're poor to me. I don't care if you're making $50,000, $100,000 a year. If you're spending time away from your family, you're poor, you're broke. Life is meant to be experienced. But you do that by not playing around. Take life seriously. Hey guys, I'm sharing something from the top of my heart right now, man. I'm nothing special. And I believe that you watching this video, it's a reason why we're here. Stop looking at the car all the time. That's what you want. You want me to show you all my whips, right? You want to see all my cars, and guess what? Hell yeah, they pay it off. And yes, they're mine. But don't look at that. Look what shit, look, this is the grind. Right now, this is an advertisement, right? You watching it. It's the grind. Yes, I want you to click the link to get more information that can put you in a better situation, but this is the grind, right? I know some of you pissed off right now, but I love you. I wish someone would have told me this when I was in my 20s. I'll be a billionaire right now. You have one opportunity to change the rest of your life, but it's up to you to choose when. Let's go!
Remember, we was broke, remember, Lord, forgive me, let nobody catch me, I can't hold my